Open the web application in Chrome browser. Click Open the extension and enter the credentials provided. Select the project and module for which the test flow has to be created. Give a name to your test flow. Now click on Play button and you can start. Go to Web Application, start doing the actions that you would do as a tester. QPathPro will keep learning your actions and build test steps. As you complete your flow, you can review the steps seen in QPathPro. You can also edit the test data in it or change them as per your need for this flow. Click on Save and save your test flow in Quato Excel format. Post saving, now choose the file, and click Now on Execute. Now log in to your Quato server and look for your project and module where the test flow was saved. Now you are all set to execute the tests. Similarly, other test flows can be recorded, saving your valuable productive hours. Happy testing with Quato.